Is it time to buy or sell Ford stock? In this video, we will delve into the details surrounding Ford. Our initial report was released on our website on the first Friday of January 2025, and now we are here to offer a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, press the like button, and activate the notification bell to keep up with our latest analysis. You won't want to overlook any significant updates that could influence your investments. Elevate your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 16th of December 2024, our system has identified Ford as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.11. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 1.05%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.08% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The ongoing 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 8% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of 11% to an increase of around 3%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a decrease of nearly 15% over the next year, with a potential return ranging from a decline of 24% to an increase of 16%. This corresponds to a price range between $7.46 to $11.49 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ford includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Ford. The Ford stock price gained 2.38% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025. It rose from $9.65 to $9.88. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.41%, reaching a day low of $9.53 and a day high of $9.95. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.07% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 2 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 68 million shares bought and sold for approximately $676.72 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $14.85, while the lowest price was $9.49. Currently, the price is 33.47%, or $4.97, below the 52-week high, and 61.81%, or $15.99, below the all-time high reached on January 13, 2022, when the price peaked at $25.87. Ford recently announced a significant recall of nearly 400,000 trucks, SUVs, and cars. This development may create short-term volatility in its stock price, as investors may have concerns regarding safety and associated costs. However, Ford is also excelling in other areas. It reported the highest annual vehicle sales in the United States since 2019, with a notable 4.2% increase in sales for 2024. This strong performance indicates a recovering demand, particularly driven by gasoline and hybrid vehicles. Additionally, Ford has experienced a 17% surge in U.S. retail sales in the fourth quarter, far outpacing industry growth rates. This momentum can bolster investor confidence in the company's growth trajectory, potentially driving the stock price higher in the medium to long term. The backdrop of robust electric vehicle sales, reaching a record of 1.3 million in 2024, aligns with Ford's strategy to expand its electric vehicle offerings. While the recall may pose a near-term challenge, the stronger sales figures and ongoing market trends suggest that Ford is on a solid path for growth, which could ultimately enhance its stock performance as these trends materialize. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned F a perform rating with a hold action. On the same day, Deutsche Bank also rated F with a hold grade and a hold action. Earlier on Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, Barclays rated F as overweight with a hold action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Goldman Sachs provided F a buy rating along with an upgrade action. Lastly, on Wednesday, the 25th of September 2024, Wells Fargo rated F as sector perform, also recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned Ford stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have categorized the stock with a sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Ford. Currently, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The Ford stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at $9.92 and $10.50. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A buy signal was indicated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, and to date, the stock has increased by 2.38%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. The volume is also increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 24 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Ford. Ford has established support from accumulated volume at $9.74. This level could present a buying opportunity, as we may expect an upward reaction when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and given the solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 420 cents between its high and low points, representing a change of 4.41%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.64%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Ford, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, possibly presenting a buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 35 cents. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ford. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ford is at $9.90. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a significant point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Ford encounters its first support level at $9.74. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Ford from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of December, 2024, Ford 3 Henry made an insider purchase of 3,446 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. On the same day, Ford 3 Henry also executed an insider sale of 10,338 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. Additionally, on the 11th of December, 2024, Ford 3 Henry conducted another insider purchase of 20,676 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. On the 2nd of December, 2024, Vojvodich Radakovich Lin made an insider purchase of 2,468 shares of Ford stock units. On the same day, Vojvodich Radakovich Lin also bought 240 shares of Ford stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 15.591. In total, insiders acquired 1,770,287 shares and sold 1,304,091 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Ford stock a good buy? Ford displays several negative indicators, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 6th of January, we expect Ford to open lower by approximately 9 cents, starting at $9.79. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.